Hello, everyone. This is Jim Okrasinski with your Week 2 Screencast video. So, coming out of Chapter 1, we're going to be moving this week into Chapter 8 in your textbook. The target assignment at the end of this unit would be the email assignment, assignment number 1, and we'll go through that in a minute. So, this week we have some readings in Chapter 8. Later in the week, I will post a Chapter 8 PowerPoint. Perhaps there might be some audio in there. I haven't decided how I'm going to break that down yet, but be sure to look in the course unit for that PowerPoint. It might help with some of the context for the chapter. All right. So as you will see here, discussion board number 2, your initial post is due on Tuesday. In keeping with our pattern, on Friday you have responses due, and then on Sunday, end of day, is the Chapter 8 quiz, which is quiz number 2. Okay, so taking you over to the course units. In the course unit, in the unit number 1, for Chapter 1, I've also added a PowerPoint in the readings and viewing section here. So you want to take a look at that. It provides some further context for the chapter, especially the case study of Christine's proposal for telecommuting. Um, how the initial email we know was received and wasn't really received by the owner of the accounting firm. Really enthusiastically, and then it takes you through the steps, and then looking at the final proposal that Christine wrote up for telecommuting is a good example of a proposal, and even a little bit of a formal report formatting for later in the course. All right, so once again, heading back to course units tab, the unit 2, chapter 8. In this chapter, we're going to focus on the types of communications like electronic, specifically email. Some of our key concepts that we're going to work on is choosing the appropriate medium, the goodwill and you viewpoint, writing and formatting business letters, which we'll use in our next unit in Chapter 9, writing and formatting memos, time sensitive messages. Email is the focus of this. And you'll see some information in Chapter 8 about how to use text and instant messages. Of course, there's always protocols and strategies. All right. So, like I said, here's the readings for this unit this week in week 2 and also in week 3. First up is discussion board number 2. So, you'll need the textbook for this one. So, I ask you to please complete exercise number 4, A, B, and C, found on page 296 of your textbook. After you've posted your rewrites, take the time to review your classmates' posts and comment on their revisions with tone and clarity in mind. All right, just some suggestions to get your um, comments started. Okay, and then lastly, here I'll cover briefly. You might want to take a look at this. This is our target assignment for the unit. Assignment number 1. Is emails. So your tasks for assignment 1 is to write 2 emails. Be sure you read exercise 1 on page 295 of your textbook. And you are the manager of an accounts payable department, must determine which employees are regular and non-regular drivers. All right. So email 1 is department managers asking for a list. And the other one is to list an email to all employees about the changes of car expense reimbursement. So I'll let you look over and read exercise 1. I will cover this in the week 3 screencast video, and also how you should upload your assignment to Blackboard. Also, you want to take a look at discussion board 3. We'll always have the discussion board post before an assignment is due, as a way of workshopping sort of a peer review collaboration where you can upload your drafts of your emails next week and have myself and also your classmates offer you some suggestions for the final drafts before grading. All right. So I think we have just about everything here in the Unit 2, Chapter 8 unit here for the week. Also, what's coming up in week 2. If you have any questions, you know how to get a hold of me through email, and good luck.